Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with PeoplePerHour, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with PeoplePerHour, start by visiting the official website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to choose between signing up as a freelancer or a client. Select the option that best fits your needs. If you choose to register as a freelancer, fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. You will then receive a verification email. Check your email inbox and click on the verification link provided. Once your account is verified, log in to your PeoplePerHour account. Upon logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. If you registered as a freelancer, complete your profile by adding relevant details. Include information about your skills, work experience, and education. Upload a professional profile picture to enhance your profile's appeal. If you signed up as a client, browse through the freelancers' profiles to find suitable candidates. Utilize the search feature to filter results based on skills and experience. Once you find a freelancer you want to work with, click on their profile to review their portfolio. To connect with the freelancer, click the Hire button. Provide details about your project in the hiring form. Set a budget and timeline for the project. After filling in the necessary information, submit your request. You can also post a job description to attract freelancers. Click on the Post a Job option available on the dashboard. Fill out the job posting form with specific project requirements. Set your budget and deadline for applications. Submit the job posting to make it live on the platform. Monitor your inbox for responses from freelancers. Engage with potential candidates through direct messaging. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.